For the word given in each question, select the best definition from options A to J and mark it on your answer sheet. Each definition can only be used once. Question 11. Frivolous. If something is described as being frivolous, then it is not an essential. In other words, if you bought something and it was a frivolous purchase, it wouldn't be something which you absolutely had to have, such as food, for example. It might be something you bought simply because you liked it. If your behaviour is described as frivolous, then usually it's because you don't really care about things. You can be carefree and not worry about things which are bothering other people. So frivolous is nothing to do with high temperatures. It's not about stories or a chance to escape reality. Although you may have felt that this was a good choice of answer, things which are frivolous are to do with being carefree and not essential. An ornamental border of threads is not appropriate as an answer either, and this word is nothing to do with being courageous or scared. We know that option D was the answer to question 10. Friction is the rubbing of one thing against another, and we can't use an answer twice. Option C is a short haircut, and this is nothing to do with being frivolous. Being frivolous is not necessarily anything bad or unpleasant. But if you did something in a carefree or superficial manner, then this could also be described as frivolous, and therefore option A was the right answer to this question. And you can show the answer of A on the answer paper like this.